Hello everyone, now I would like to talk about this drone. So for the first one is about manufacturing. This drone uses a quadcopter type which uses for main propulsion systems. The basic material of this drone frame uses carbon material with a diagonal diameter of 295 mm for a balance between strength and light weight. Each motor is equipped with a 3D printed PLA Plus propeller guard to increase safety when flying. The design of this drone consists of three main levels. The top is as a place for the battery and the middle part for the main components such as the flight controller and ESC, and the bottom part which is specially designed for the pilot picking up mechanism and supporting components. At the front, there is a special mounting for the FPV camera or video transmitter, which can move pitch up and pitch down, allowing the pilot to get the optimal viewing angle while flying. And meanwhile, at the back, there is a mounting for the altitude sensor to improve flight stability and accuracy. So now I would like to talking about the electronics. Our drone uses an unusual motor configuration, that is pusher configuration system. This affects the flight time, which is 2 times longer than the tractor motor configuration. This drone uses a 2550 kV BLDC or brushless DC motor as the main driving component, whose rotation speed is controlled by a 4-in-1 50 ampere ESC. As the main power source, it uses a lithium polymer or LiPo battery with specifications are used for cell 25 of discharge rates, a voltage of 16.8 volts, and a capacity of 8,000 mAh. In addition, other supporting components such as altitude sensors, navigators, flight controllers, cameras, and also actuators, and one of which is a servo to adjust to camera position. The challenge for the pilot is not being able to see the drone directly. So we use a monitor screen that is wirelessly connected to the FPV camera on the drone so that the pilot can see the parameters and monitor the movement of the drone through the monitor screen. In meeting the challenges of this mission that we picking up and dropping payloads, we have conducted trials using an electromagnetic mechanism controlled by a relay and on the bottom of this drone. For the process of working on the wearable remote prototype, using the concept of remote gloves, we designed the PCB and determined the components used such as microcontrollers, gyroscope sensors, and buttons as the interface media between the pilot and the drone. So now I would like to talk about the programming of this drone. In the drone design process, one of servo movements is regulated using Lua script so that the camera angle shift can move more smoothly. Furthermore, the program the remote gloves, we use Arduino IDE. The overall test flight process has also been carried out to ensure the drone can fly and carry out missions accurately and stably according to pilot control. That's it about our drones. So thank you for your attention.